In this example, we're given the fact that x minus 6 is a factor of f of x, and we want to find the other two values of x where f of x is equal to 0. So given that we know that x minus 6 is a factor, that's the equivalent of stating that x equals positive 6 is going to be a solution to the equation of where f of x is equal to 0. So in other words, that means that f of 6 is equal to 0. Our objective here is to find out the other two values that are going to make this equal to 0. Because again, recall, because this is a degree 3 polynomial, there has to be a total of 3 numbers that make the function equal to 0. And we are already given one of them, x equals to 6, because x minus 6 is a factor. So to find the other two, we're going to use this one solution to divide So let's set this up using synthetic division instead of long division. So we're going to write the numbers 1, negative 11, 24, and 36. I kind of made this a little bit too big. Let me make it a little bit smaller. And on the outside, we're going to write the number 6, not minus 6, but positive 6. Again, the solution, the value. Because remember, when it's a factor, that means that x equals to 6 is a solution. So that's the number we're going to write and use. So we're going to bring down the 6, and multiplying 1 with 6 is going to give us negative 6. I'm sorry, positive 6. What am I thinking? And that's going to give us a negative 5. We're going to multiply that negative 5 with 6, which is negative 30. And that's going to give us a difference of negative 6. And then multiplying that negative 6 with the positive 6, that's negative 36. Added with the positive 36 gives us 0. So we have x squared minus 5x minus 6. And we're going to see if this equals to 0. So hopefully this is factorable. So I'm just going to write my list of factors of 6. The only options are 1 and 6, 2, and 3. Let's see if this can be factorable. So we have x and x. We have a negative and a positive. And yeah, we can use the first set, 1 and 6. So a negative 6 and a positive 1, those two values give us the middle term of negative 5 right there. So that's the combination we're going to use. So since we want this now to equal to 0, that means that x would have to equal to positive 6 or negative 1. And those are the other two values that make this thing equal to 0. So our solutions are, like I mentioned, negative 6 and negative 1.